Today, we're making balsamic mushrooms. This is an easy side dish that goes with everything. Start by brushing off the dirt and trimming the mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. After that, start on the marinade: balsamic vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, maple syrup, olive oil, a little whole grain Dijon mustard, kosher salt, and black pepper. Give it a whisk and add a bunch of garlic. Then pour it over the mushrooms and give it a good toss. You want to make sure they're completely coated. Then pour onto a rimmed sheet pan. That's to catch up all the juices that come out of the mushrooms as they bake. 10 minutes later, pour off some of the excess juice and put them back into the oven for another 8 to 10 minutes. And that's it. Perfectly roasted balsamic mushrooms. They're tender, juicy, meaty. They make a great side dish for steaks, chops, chicken, anything. Enjoy!